Hello guys, hi guys, how are you? My name is Ronald. This should be one of your favorite channels. Okay, today we're going to look at another pair that we think will really move in this week. Okay, and for this pair we're going to look at the GBP CHF. For this pair we are going to look at GBP CHF. So we are going to look at the pound and the Swiss francs. The pound and the Swiss francs. Okay, so we come here, we will open our GBP CHF just right here. Let's look at the structure. So when you look at the GBP CHF, let's look at the bigger structure, the daily. When you look at the daily, it's over extended. Okay, one of the pairs we do trade is one of there is the overextended pairs. So when you look at the daily time frame, you see that it is really overextended in the bullish position. Okay, so what we do, we will pull our Fibonacci as usual. We will pull our Fibonacci just right here, Fibonacci retracement from the lowest point to the highest point. So this will help us to know where the pair will make some stopovers before it continues. So for now it's going up, but it has already shown us a sign of fast pausing to move down. Why is it showing us a down? Because it has broken out down to this structure. I will show you from the 4 hours. That's when you can clearly see it, that it has really broken this structure. It broke and retested it. So there are many chances that this pair is now pulling back. Okay, because it's not common for a pair to just move like that. So it has broken and it's moving. It has broken, and so it has broken down, so it's gonna move. We have higher chances of this pair moving down. So daily, this means we expect it to move down at least until the 38. Okay, we expect it to move down until the 38%, just according to our Fibonacci, or it will move down to the 0.23. we expect it. This would be also a major point. Okay, so how do we enter in? So we come back to our 4 hours. We will say if the structure will move down below this moving average, which is the 200 moving average, then we will join in. Okay, or else we would leave it until this area. So if it breaks this area, we will put our sell stop order here. Once it reaches here, then it will take us in. So it's up to us. If we want to come in early, let's get first our short position. Let's get our short position. So first we would think about something like this. So if the pair comes until here, we would take it on. Okay, but this looks a bit far because this is the 4 hours, so maybe it will take a day for it to reach here. So we could make it until this point. So if the pair will break this structure, if it will break the moving average, the 200 moving average, just right there, we will come in. We will come in and hold it until this further point. Okay, so that is what we are looking at today. It's the GBP CHF, and we are looking for a short position to fill this gap for the pullback, because the pair has really moved. As you can see, there's tons of pips from here until here, so it has really moved a lot. So we expect it to pull back. So our main point where we expect it to come is the 3.82, yeah, the 0.382, which is the 38%. We most probably it will come back until this point. So like, you know how we do it, we will come in, we can move out any time, wherever we are in profit. If we get until this point, we are moving out, because we don't know what will happen to the market next. Okay, so this is the forecast for this week, the GBP CHF. We expect a short move for this week. Yes, from the 4 hour, just right there, so this should be our strategy for now. Those of you who want to come in really very much earlier, let's see, from the 1 hour, you could just come back from this structure right here when it moves out of this, but that will be still risking because there's a lot of structure, so you better bear with me. Just hold on until it comes to that entry point. Okay, so our entry point will be the 13190, and our take profit, the first take profit would be this 11500. Okay, that's it for now. Let's see how it will work out. We'll come back at the end of the week and see how it has moved, but for sure probably this should be our move for this week.